Good afternoon, Namrata.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Are you learn word?
Yes.
Prepare for making sentence.
Yes.
I means what?
I miss me.
Tell me one sentence related to I.
I am girl.
You means what?
Why you means to care to me.
Tell me sentence.
You are boys.
He means what?
He means to.
Tell me sentence.
He is a boy.
She means what?
She means T. She is a girl.
We means.
We miss Amri.
Tell me
we
sentence.
Are teachers.
This.
Teachers. This means he hai.
Tell me sentence.
This is pen.
That.
That means to teeth.
Tell me sentence.
That is fan.
They.
They means they.
Tell me sentence.
They is a chart.
It.
It means they.
Tell me sentence.
It is a portrait.
Here.
Here means tethe.
Here means.
Tethe.
Tethe. Here means.
Here means ethe.
Ethe. Tell me sentence.
Come here.
There.
there. There means tethe.
Tell me sentence.
Go there.
What?
What means sky.
Tell me sentence.
What are you?
Which?
Which means konacha.
Tell me sentence.
Which is this boy?
Who?
Who means God.
Tell me sentence.
Who is a girl?
Why?
Why means car.
Tell me sentence.
Why you are crying?
Why are you crying?
Why are you crying?
Good.
Good means changla.
Tell me sentence.
You are good.
Nice.
Nice means changla.
Tell me sentence.
Nice handwriting.
Bad.
Very bad. Bad means white.
Tell me sentence.
He is a boy bad.
He is a bad boy.
He is a bad.
Like.
Like means sour.
Tell me sentence.
I like mango.
Right.
Right means window.
Tell me sentence.
Table right.
Go.
Go means out.
Tell me sentence.
Go there.
Come.
Come means here.
Tell me sentence.
Come here.
In.
I am in means out.
Tell me sentence.
Go in.
Out.
Go you down. Out means bahir.
Tell me sentence. On.
On means वर किंवा चालू.
Tell me sentence.
On the fan.
Very good.